Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to build customer trust in Shopify store using Sidekick. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First click on Sidekick. Then we can ask how to build customer trust in Shopify. Click enter. Now it is processing. So it gives the best tips. Store design, strong product information, cost and risk, brand credibility, etc. So let's start. First, to make your store look professional, go to online store, click on edit theme. Here you can check the product image is very clear. If there is any spelling mix mistakes, then keep the layout simple, etc. So check all that. So a clean store build instant trust. So now add store policies. Click on settings. Then click on policies. Here the policy already set. Return and refund policies all are set. Shipping policy we can set to 2 to 3 business days. Click on save. So the customer feels safe when policies are clear. So that's it. Next we can add contact information. So for that can go to the home page. Then click on online store. Here click on pages. Here we can add page. The title as contact us. Then give a description as email ID, mail.com, and give the phone number, valid phone number. So that's it. Click on save. This shows your store is real. So then show product reviews like manual method. Review help build strong trust. So go to the products, then select any product. Here in the description we can make it give 5-star review as good quality product. So it is generating. So now it is changed. Even simple reviews help your store look professional. So next we can see the changes. Next, show shipping cost clearly. Don't surprise a customer with extra charges. So go to the settings, then click on shipping and delivery. Click on general profile. Set clear rate like we have free shipping, the delivery charge for light shipping, heavy shipping, etc. We already said that. Clear pricing build trust. So that's it. So stay active, update your store regularly by adding new products, update banners, keep it active, etc. An active store build more trust. So this is how you can build customer trust in your Shopify store. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.